Hello, today I'm going to introduce a new feature that I have put in place in order to make sure that our categorization of content is proper, and this is the hierarchical taxonomy select field. Now what it means is that it will select the tags in a hierarchical fashion. So this is, for example, the content form which we have for creating a web link, and as you can see, the usual taxonomy fields have been related with this kind of hierarchical fields. Now how this work is that you can click on this drop down and select, say, one of the main sites. It will take a while and then it will show a new drop down which shows all the subsites under it, and you can then click on add to add this item. So for example, now I'm adding pulmonary cancers and lung. Now what has happened is that it has saved both pulmonary cancers and lung as a separate tags in the content type, which helps with our categorization. If I want to remove it, I will just click on the remove link and it will be removed. I can select multiple items like this, and just remember that it is slightly non-performant as compared to typing, but it gives very good results as far as categorization is concerned. Normally you can also create a new item, so if you want to add something new in this list, you can click it over here and it will allow you to create this new item. Again, remember that because of the nature of the complexity of this tagging system, it is slightly more complex, but you can create anything. I will just make sure that I create a cancel so that unnecessary tags are not created. uh, Make sure that you fill up all of these fields. So for example, you click radiotherapy over here, you will be able to see that it has external beam radiotherapy, brachytherapy, intraoperative radiotherapy, and so on. Another important thing that I have initiated is separating the cancer site from the cancer pathology, so that we can have a much better categorization of content. So for benign tumor, there is no new pathology. You can just create a new pathological type. If you want, click on add and it will add the required terms. Remember, you can select as many terms as possible. It will save the entire lineage of the term. So a very nice categorization of the site content is possible this way. I hope you all use this feature properly. Please remember, proper categorization of the site content allows us to find content properly, allows new visitors to find content properly. Thank you for listening to the screencast.